Dust on our jackets, engines alive. Headlights are cutting through dead of the night. No empty words, no need to pretend. We ride with purpose, straight to the end. Neon reflections, asphalt and steel. Every decision is brutally real. No need to shout, no need to explain. Knuckles tell the truth when it starts to rain. Pressure is rising, we don't bend. Lines get crossed, but we stand again. All the fake noise fades to black. We don't look back, we stay on track. Sandy reapers, engines in the sand. Side by side, we take our stand. Sandy reapers, forged in the fire. When the dust falls down, we rise higher. Miles on the clock, scars on the soul. Every road taken takes its toll. No shortcuts here, no easy way. We earned every breath, every day. The screen keeps flashing, truth gets lost. Cheap lies always come with a cost. Let them talk, let it all decay. We move forward, they fade away. Sandy reapers, engines in the sand. Side by side, we take our stand. Sandy reapers, forged in the fire. When the dust falls down, we rise higher. If the road ends here, we don't divide. No one runs, no one hides. Your fight is mine, my blood your shield. Bound by the oath, we never yield.